Am I the only one that didn't know Blink cameras could be picky? Let's expose the real reasons your live view isn't working, and how to fix it fast. First, check your Wi-Fi signal. Blink cameras need a strong connection. Try moving your camera closer to your router or restarting your Wi-Fi. Next, open the Blink app. Make sure it's up to date. Outdated apps can cause live view problems. Still stuck? Check your camera batteries. Low power can mess things up. Swap in fresh batteries if needed. Now check camera placement. Thick walls or metal objects can block the signal. Try moving your camera to a more open spot. Also, see if there are too many devices on your Wi-Fi. Too much traffic can slow things down. Disconnect any devices you don't need. If you see a camera busy message, wait a minute and try again. Sometimes it just needs a quick break. Finally, restart your camera. Unplug it, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in. If none of this works, reach out to Blink support for extra help. And there you go, quick and easy ways to fix your Blink camera live view. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips.